Tired of wrestling with inconsistent formatting in your Word documents? Do you wish there was a magic button to just wipe it all away and start fresh? Well, you're in luck. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to strip all formatting from your document in one swift move, saving you tons of time and frustration. Let's get straight to it. First, you'll want to select all the text in your document. The quickest way to do this is by simply pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard. See how everything highlights? That means it's all selected and ready for its formatting makeover. Next, head over to the Home tab in the Word ribbon, right at the top of your screen. Now look closely in the Font section. You'll spot a little icon that looks like an A with an eraser next to it. That's your hero button. It's officially called the Clear All Formatting button. Give that icon a click. And just like that, watch all those bold, italic, colored, and custom font styles vanish into thin air, leaving you with clean, unformatted text. Now, sometimes, even after clearing formatting, you might notice some text is still highlighted. Don't worry, there's a quick fix for that too. While your text is still selected, look for the Text Highlight Color button in the same font section on the Home tab. It looks like an AB with a colored marker underneath. Click on it, and from the options, simply choose No Color or No Highlight. And there you have it. Now all the highlighting is gone and your document is completely clean. It's that simple. Now you have a clean slate to apply your desired formatting uniformly and efficiently. No more picking through individual paragraphs. If this tip saved you time, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick tech tricks. Thanks for watching.